Creamy, golden, glorious. This is Chicken Florentine. And if you've got 30 minutes, you've got yourself dinner. Welcome back to the Crack Mug. Easy dish to throw together. It's rich and delicious. So come on, let's get in the kitchen and make Chicken Florentine. Come on. Here I have 30 grams of flour. We're going to use for coating. 25 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, fresh, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. We're just going to mix this up before we coat our chicken. To a large pan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. While this is melting and heating up, we will dredge our chicken. You can use 4 very small breasts, or 4 thin sliced breasts, or as I'm doing in this case, 2 larger breasts, which I have split. Now we're just going to dredge our chicken in our beautiful cheesy mix. Set that aside. And therein, I'm doing 2 at a time. We're going to cook them each side about 4 minutes until lightly golden brown, and turn them over and do it again. We're not cooking them completely here. That was a full 4 minutes. So let's have a look. Oh yes. Turn them over. Beautiful color. Another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. Lovely. Set these aside and continue with the other 2. All right, in the same pot, we are going to add our extra 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I have a medium shallot, which has been finely minced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. And just a pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Give that a stir. We're just going to saute these for about 2 minutes until the shallots become tender. Oh, it's so aromatic already. That was just 2 minutes. Taking on a little color. We do not want to burn the garlic. So we're going to deglaze the pan. And here I have a half a cup, which is 120 milliliters of dry white wine and 120 milliliters of chicken stock. 1 teaspoon of basil, dried, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. If you're using fresh, use a tablespoon of each. Just give it a stir. Bring it back to a simmer. We want to reduce this liquid about half. That'll take about 3 minutes of simmering. Okay, that has reduced by half. So to that, I'm going to add 120 milliliters of heavy cream, 60 grams, that's about 2 ounces, of cream cheese, and this is at room temperature. Okay, we're going to stir this for about 5 minutes. The cheese will be melted in, and we will have a thick, luscious sauce. Beautiful sauce going on there. To that, I'm going to add about 60 grams of spinach, baby spinach. And let's fold that in. Just takes a minute for the spinach. The spinach is gorgeous in this. I could have thrown the whole bag in. That would have been 10 ounces. All right, let's return our chicken to the pan, and any juices that may have come out of the chicken, return that to the pan. Lovely. We're going to let this simmer here for a few minutes until the chicken is fully cooked, and we'll test that by sticking a thermometer in it. 166, I'm calling it. We are ready to eat. This smells incredible. It is time to try some. Oh my God. Oh. More sauce. Oh yes. How quick was that? 1 pan, perfect. Now typically I would have this with maybe a buttered noodle, crusty bread, also perfect. Not today, because I've already eaten 2 bowls of pasta. I made a pasta dish a couple of weeks ago. It's a 1-pot pasta. I'll put the link up there. And I ate that today, 2 bowls of it. It's incredibly good. You have to try it. All right, this smells amazing. It smells rich and decadent. It really does. So if you're going to have something with it, like a butter pasta, or the other thing I'd like with this is a lovely creamy polenta. In for a penny, in for a pound. Oh, wow.
Don't let the name fool you. Chicken Florentine didn't sprout up in the Tuscan hills. The term Florentine was all the rage in 16th century France, thanks to Catherine de' Medici, the Italian-born queen, who brought her spinach-loving ways to the royal kitchen. So what makes it Florentine? Just add spinach. And a little flair, of course. Full recipe and video on thecrackedmug.net.
It's incredible that a few simple ingredients can create such flavor. Garlic, shallots, wine, little chicken stock, and cheese. Gosh, that sauce. I could roll around in it. Sorry.
Wow! Help this misfortune out by liking and subscribing. Leave him a comment.
This is an amazing dish. What a lovely dish for midweek. People will be very happy and quite impressed. And it really was so easy to make, but that'll be our secret.
I think it's completely healthy because of the spinach.
Oh God, whatever. Chicken Florentine, worth a try. I think you'll love it. Thank you so much for your support. It really means the world to me. And thank you for stopping by again this week. So, until next time, mind yourself. Bye.